don't know if you guys could see that, but there was just a squirrel underneath that hole right there. Anyways guys, what is up? Welcome back to the channel. Super excited because today I've been wanting to do this for like weeks and I finally got the time to do it. So what I'm gonna do is, let's just start with the fog lights. I'm gonna clean the fog lights, restore the headlights, both sides. This one is worse. I don't know if you guys could tell, but yeah, this has gotta go. We gotta restore it, gotta polish it out. Same thing with the fog lights, they're all foggy and stuff. So I'll be using Plast X by Meguiar, some really good stuff. It's gonna help polish that out before we even clear coat them and protect them with the coating on it. By Meguiar's as well, we're gonna be coating them real good. Big's out here in Central Cali, it does get pretty hot and the sun is just beating on it, and that's how you lose the clear coat and they look all nasty. I already washed the car already, so it looks nice. All I gotta do is this stuff before it gets hot because don't want to work in the heat. And then put this pad on, polishing pad. I say, anywhere like this, something like that. So I'm polishing that one already. Look how clean it looks compared to this one. See that? See how like fogged up it is? I don't know if you could tell from that angle. Doesn't really do too much justice. Or maybe from that angle right there to this angle right here, guys. Huge night and day difference. Really loving it. Look at the headlights now. Look at that. They look clean, they look sharp. Just gotta just finish the other fog light down there, and then I'm gonna go ahead and tape them around, and then we can go ahead and spray it from there. You have to clean that paste off, 100%. We want to clean off because we're gonna clear coat it right now. We want that clear coat to very stick to that headlight. We don't want it to stick to the paste because if not, it'll just end up coming off. So we really gotta get that really clean. I'm gonna go ahead and start spraying this. We'll be good. I'm gonna shake it, and then I'm gonna apply a light coat, and then I could always do a second coat. So just like this. Stuff smells really good too, by the way. Coat like that. That should be good. Same thing with the other side. Okay, first coat done. Please guys, please don't do what I do. Wear your mask, wear some safety glasses. Do not try this without that stuff. I can't find my safety glasses. If I had it, trust me, I would put them on, but I don't have them right now. I can't find them. But please do wear your safety glasses for this stuff, and make sure you wear your mask. Super important. You don't want to smell that stuff, but it does smell good. That does look good too. Wow. While that's drying up, I'm gonna go ahead and start applying this gloss sealant all over the car. Oh, by the way, my clear coat is coming off. I'm gonna get that fixed. I don't know if I'm gonna do that next week or the next week after that, but one of these weeks, sometime before summer, I have to get that fixed, and I'm gonna show you guys how to do that. And I just might go ahead and paint it all. I still don't know yet. I'm still thinking about it. It smells like strawberries. So crazy. But anyways, yeah, such a difference. That really gloss, oh my goodness, really makes it pop. Too bad I don't have my car in the sun. You would see it because I want to work in the shade. I'm still letting these headlights dry up. But wow, they look so nice. They look so nice. Take some pictures with these babies tonight. Alright, so there it is. Finally got the headlights and the fog lights are already done. They're already should be done drying by now already. So I already got, bye JJ. So I already got the car already fully sprayed and everything. As you can tell, it leaves that little, it still leaves it on there because it hasn't dried up yet. But in about another 5 minutes it'll be dry. And what I'm gonna do is get a microfabric towel and just wipe that off. So essentially it's like a wax. Oh my goodness. Look at that, it slides right off there. So all I gotta do is hit it again. I'm gonna wait another minute for it to dry and then just go ahead and take off all that off. Oh my goodness guys, it looks so good. Just wow. I'm super happy with the results. Now I still need to clean my rims, but I mean, like, forget about my rims, just the car itself. It's so smooth, so shiny. My headlights look amazing. Same thing with the fog lights on both sides. I'm loving it. Looks amazing. Super recommend it. But don't forget, once you apply it, you have to let it dry for about 15-20 minutes. Once you do, and then you take a microfabric towel and then you can go ahead and wipe it all off. Essentially it's like a paste, almost like a wax, but it doesn't get sticky or none of that. So you would just apply it on there, and then 20 minutes later, then you could really wipe it down or lightly buff it. But I just did it with the microfabric towel. It looks so amazing. So recommend it. Gosh, I love it. I love it, guys. So that's pretty much it for this video. It's a quick video. Just want to show you guys that, how I restore my headlights, fog lights, and also the next thing I have to do is my back tail lights. But they don't look that bad. But I should probably do them later on, sometime in the future. If you do need car parts specifically for is300, then we'll put a link in the description and we can definitely do that for you. We can hook you up with some parts for your is300, and sweaters are pretty much all done. So there are some few shirts if you guys need some. But yeah, that's it on the apparel. So don't forget, guys, make sure you leave a comment if you have any questions, and I will get to it as soon as possible. But that's pretty much about it. Can't wait till the next video. We have something cool we're gonna do to the is300. I'm not gonna say what it is, but it's gonna be a surprise. And that's pretty much it, guys. We'll see you in the next video. Bye. Okay, guys, I have to admit this. Oh my god, this stuff smells so good. I don't know what it is with these chemicals that they're putting in this stuff, guys, but oh my god, they're so good. I ain't kidding you. I forgot to tell you guys, I accidentally broke my antenna, but I like the way it looks without it. What do you guys think? Opinions on it. Looks just, I don't know, looks more modern. But you guys tell me, guys, if you guys like it or not. This is like 5, 6, it's like way over here, this antenna that way, but it broke off. So yeah, I'm happy with that stuff, guys. So there's a squirrel in here somewhere. Fast as I possibly can. Oh my gosh, cut.